Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem, and the problem statement is we will do the reverse of a string. So, for example, consider Achyut as a string. So the reverse of a string is TUYHCTA, which means the reverse character of a Achyut. It's a string. So we have to print this reverse string of the given user input Achyut. So we have to write the code, so which should implement reverse of the string. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So as we know, if we want to use the scanner class, we have to write import java dot util dot star. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. So first of all, we have to give the string c dot next line, and after that we have to traverse. So int I is equal to str dot length, and it should be greater than 0, and each time it should be I minus minus. So why I'm starting with str dot length, because we have to print the reverse of a string, so we have to start with the length. So how much length it is? 1, 2, 3, 7 is right. 7 is the length. So the length, we should start from length, and it should end with 0. Like it should traverse up to 1. I greater than 0 means it should have to traverse up to 1 only. It should not go to 0, which means if we give is equal to, then only it will traverse up to 0. I greater than 0 means it should have to travel up to 1. So I hope you understand the program. Sorry, you understand the for loop. So we have to write the system.out.println. So str dot caret I minus 1. So each time I will decrease one number. So why I'm writing this, I'll explain. Let us run this program, then you will understand. So there is no errors. For example, my name is Achyut. See, the output is TUYHCTA. So the reverse of a string is there. So if you want to use, if you want to print in same line, you can use print ATCHYT. Then you will get the each character in the same line only. So why I'm writing I minus 1? So each time I'm decrementing minus 1. So what is the I value? So the I value of the str dot length, what is the length? 7. So 7 minus 1. So that character will be printed. And after that, it will be decremented. So it will be 6. 6 minus 1. So that character will be come. And after the decremented, 5 minus 1, 4. So each time it will be decremented, and it will traverse up to 0, and each character will be printed. For example, if we use I, let us run this program again. So see, we are getting like exception is read, string index out of bounds exception. So if we are traversing up to 0, right? We are not traversing up to 0. We are traversing up to 1. So that's why we have to give the I minus 1 each time. I hope you understand. So if you don't understand, so please try to traverse each and every statement. Like str, what is the length of the string 7? So 7 minus 1, which character will become? So you have to think. And one more thing, every time, the index should be start with 0. Every time the index should be starts with 0. So that's why I'm decrementing minus 1. I hope you understand why I'm doing minus 1. So 7 minus 1. First, so the length of the string is 7, right? So 7 minus 1. What is the 7 minus 1? Uh, the index is t. So that's why it's printing t. And after that, 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 0. So we have to write I minus 1. I hope you understand why I'm writing I minus 1. So if you don't understand, please repeat the video. Then you will get to understand. So that's it, friends. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends, and so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. So then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.